Well guys, today ain't a good day. And I'm going to explain to you guys why today isn't a good day right after I pull this car out. Pretty sure that was self-explanatory. She's blown, guys, and there's nobody to blame. Anyways, we'll leave that alone. So what's the plan now? We've already used her as a donor, so pretty much we're going to use the motor from the 6, donate it to the 3, but we're not going to leave the 6 hurting. We'll get back to this another day. But at this point, I'm undecided on if the 3 is going to be done in time for H2O, if we're just going to suck it up and drive the Cobalt. We'll talk about that in another video too. So right now, it's 11:26. I got to be at work at 5. And we're going to see how much of this motor we can get pulled before I have to go to work. See you in a couple days, little buddy. Alright, we're gonna get this front end off with a little bit of YouTube sorcery. And 3, 2, and 1. All right, that happened. Let's thank our sponsors. Our sponsors are me and my wife's pockets, because we get up and go to work every day. Billed by our pockets, financed by our damn pockets. Yeah, I had to go run and pay a bill, but it's almost 2 o'clock. Oh, it's 2 o'clock on the dot. So, found a lot of rust. Just a lot of surface rust on this car. And I really think I might have to reconsider if I'm going to even put this thing back on the road. It all depends on what the back shock towers look like. But I might not put it on the road as a daily, but we might put it on the road as a race car. So, well, not on the road, but we might race it. And there goes my other child. He's gonna be racing one day too. Anyway, I'm glad we've accomplished this much with very minimal spillage. But like I said, this is surface. Let me see. Let's see. So, I mean, this could be powder coated. Luckily, that's all surface rust. Just, it's going to be a lot of cleaning up. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Oh, look at that thing. So I popped myself with the exhaust taking off the drive shaft. Oh, she's pretty nasty. Let's make sure we get some antibiotic on it. Oh, that's right, use a dirty shirt. Anyways, we're almost there, guys. We'll get this cut cleaned up. Probably gonna piss my wife off. And then we'll have this out. And this, my friends, is where I'm going to leave off with right now. I'll probably put everything in the same video. But I gotta go address this wound on my face and go to work. So, we'll talk to you tomorrow. So a whole day's passed. That happened. This happened. Out he's going. He wanted to get a Negro style mobile. Black gangster mobile. Now that the pain is over, the healing can begin for me and for Beetlejuice. So, next video, hopefully Beetlejuice will be running again. But it's not over for Mary Cherry. We got big things planned for Mary Cherry. Y'all just have to be, you know, a little patient. Like I said earlier in this video, all our builds are sponsored by... No sponsors here. That's my sponsor. Oh, race car coming soon. For her, not for me. I look a mess. It really ain't that bad, y'all. And we'll do another video. Oh, wait a minute. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff I'm supposed to say. There, I said it. Peace.